Hello everyone, I'm Rick Darlington. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen for free with the OBS Studio. OBS Studio is one of the most powerful and efficient free screen recording software. To start with, just visit its website by clicking on the link below the video. You could download this software for your Windows or Mac or Linux computer. Now, I already downloaded and opened this software. You could find the interface is very user-friendly. To begin with, now let's just take a look at it. Navigation bar, which includes the sources, audio mixer, and the controls. In order to record the video, you firstly need to enter a source. You could choose the display capture if you hope to record the computer screen. And now, before you set up you record the videos, you need to set up something here. In the centers, you could find lots of options, such as the general options from the language theme to the output and some projectors, but you could leave it alone if you do not need them. The second one is the stream, which will not be talked about here, as we do not need it for record. Now the third one is the output. You could select a recording path to export your recorded video on your computer and choose the recording quality as well as the recording format. Here you could choose the MKV MP4 interceptor. I choose MKV, but the video will also be automatically exported to my computer as MP4 because I also click this option automatically remix to MP4. In terms of the audio center, it's very important. Here you could set the desktop audio to default on to your microphone. If you set it to disabled, the audio may not work. Now let's just go back to the interface. So it's actually very simple to record the um, computer screen with the OBS for free. There are some problems I ever experienced while using this software. The first problem is the no sound after recording the video, which is very frustrating because it will take a lot of time to record a video. So when there is no to test whether the audio could work, it's very simple. Just to say whether the bar is moving with the gray colors just here. If it's not moving, then perhaps the audio will not work after you finish recording. The second solution is to set up here and choose the audio. As I said earlier, you need if there is no sound on your recording video, just set the desktop audio or something else like the mic to the default or to your microphone. So if you set some to disabled option, the audio may not work. And after set it, you need to apply it. Just tap on this button. The second problem I ever experienced is the audio mixer doesn't show in this navigation bar. So to make sure it could appear here, just right click on your mouse and choose the option, or choose this one. So if you find the audio mixer disappear, just right click your mouse and then choose this one or something else, and then you could select this option. Then another problem is that when you finish recording the software with OBS, you may find the OBS screen or logo exist in front of your video. So in order to cut the front video clip with this black screenshot, you may need to use some video editing software. One of the best free video edit software I recommend for you is the Lightworks, which could let you cut the video clips that you do not need, or as well as merging different recording video clips together. So, and this video is completely free, as I already used it to um, to cut some video clips or merge some videos. So that is the tutorial I introduced today about how to record screen on your computer, such as Windows 7 or Windows 10. Thank you.